Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce how to use the Keydiy X4 and Keydiy Key devices. Perform key addition for a May 2024 Ford Mondeo. Then first, we need to remove the BCM module under the front passenger seat of this vehicle. Then we read the anti-theft data file from inside the BCM module. Whether we are performing key addition or alkylos programming, we need to load this file first before proceeding. Now, the programming wires of the BCM have been connected according to the wiring diagram. The OTG cable is also connected to the mobile phone. Now enter the corresponding directory and re-enter it again. Click here, then read the file. Select IMMO, select Ford. Then select the corresponding program according to the chip type. Chip type 1053. Click OK. You can see the corresponding wiring diagram here. Now, because it hasn't been uploaded yet, so we can show you the wiring diagram in the Chinese version of the app. Click to enter, and you will see a wiring diagram. Then there are two notes to pay attention to. Please pay attention to the prompts here. It is necessary to connect a 100 ohm resistor between the yellow dot and the red solder joint before reading the data. If the data still cannot be read out, you need to connect a 1 ohm resistor at the pink solder joint. Now go back to the English version of the app. Let's read the data of this module. Click to start execution. Data reads successfully, then save it. Saved successfully. There is no need to generate a file for this. After saving, you can load the data in the vehicle to perform key adding or alkylos programming. Now we have successfully read the data, then come to the vehicle to proceed with key adding. This is the original vehicle key. This one is a KD key, and the corresponding program has already been generated. Then our OBD cable is also connected properly. Enter the corresponding menu path. Now let's proceed with key addition. Turn on the ignition switch. Click OK. Then load the file that was read out. Select the file we have read out. Number of keys, 3. Then place the key to be matched in the key induction area. Now open the armrest box. Then locate the induction area. Put the key inside. Click OK. Now the hazard lights flash several times. Number of keys. Then we don't need to perform further learning. Just click Cancel. Learning completed successfully. Now let's test the functions of the key. Turn off the ignition switch. Test the engine start function. All done? Job finished.